Good morning. Today we're going to go down to my storage warehouse and take a look at a bunch of vintage computers. A little over a year ago, a house here in town had an elderly lady living in it. Evidently she was a hoarder of vintage computers, or just computers in general. They became vintage when she got older. But I bought the contents to the house just for the computer stuff. We filled up a couple dumpsters of non-electronics, but we did get a lot of really nice vintage computers, a bunch of Apple IIs, 2 GSs, some compact portables, a bunch of other things. So we're gonna head down to the warehouse now and take a look. I haven't really looked through everything. We basically just loaded it up in the U-Haul and took it over to storage and stacked it. It's been sitting there for a little over a year. I'll see when you get there. All right, so we're here at one of the storage warehouses. Let's take a look and see what we got. A pile of keyboards here. Looks like a bunch of Tandy, some IBMs. 2C. PC Junior keyboard there. 2E. Looks like a couple 2E, a bunch more Tandy keyboards. Some more 2s. Looks like a bunch of 2Es. Boxes of manuals and software. I'll fall up here. What we got here? TRS-84P. TRS-80 model 16. Commodore 128. Some Tandy 1000 EXs. More Apple IIs. Let's move these car covers out of the way here. Whoop. 2E. What do we got here? We got a TRS-80 Model 4. VIC 1541. Model 3 TRS-80. Model 4. That one's nasty. Oh, I got a Commodore business machine there. Got a PET 4032. Monitors, some IBM PS2s, so I have 5 of them there, bunch of Tandys, there's some Apple II GSs, a whole bunch of those, down here some more Tandys. Oh, there's a compact portable. Got another stack back here. Oh, there's another portable down there. Bunch of IBMs. Some Tandys. Over the winter, hope to start getting through at least some of this Apple stuff. These 2 GSs, see if any of them work. Oh, some PC Juniors back there. What we got up here? Oh, yep. But this is the stuff we got out of that house. A majority of it, and hope to get through it, or some of it. That's a lot to go through here over the winter this year, and see what we can find. See if we got any rare goodies in here, or run-of-the-mill stuff. keep watching and like and subscribe to see what we come up with. Have a good day.